Joining us on the phone line now, Sanket, the last that report that we are getting from you, you are following the cavalcade. Do we know the location now? Is he being taken to a magistrate along with Arvind Kejriwal or to an undisclosed location? What are you hearing?
Well, Maruf, the police is extremely tight-lipped about where they are planning to take Anna Hazare. Let me give you the exact location. As of now, Anna Hazare is on the road that leads to Samachar Apartments in Mayur Vihar. Of course, this is just about 1.5 kilometers from where he was, in fact, picked up by the police. The latest that is coming in, Team Anna saying that they have courted arrest, while the police on its part trying to maintain that this is a case of preventive detention. So one really doesn't know what the police has planned to do. The normal practice usually is that after courting arrest, the person is produced before a magistrate. Which magistrate will Anna Hazare be produced in front of is something that one does not know. As of now, this has become a march of sorts where cavalcade is moving. Various efforts have been made by supporters of Team Anna to stop this cavalcade from moving. They are jumping in front of the car, but then the police in certain occasions trying to physically remove people from in front of the car so that the car doesn't stop, the motorcade doesn't stop. A lot of drama taking place on the streets of Mayur Vihar right now, where Team Anna has now been arrested. Let me also tell you, behind Anna Hazare is also a sea of supporters, along with a very heavy deployment of the Delhi police, cars and fleet of the Delhi police following Team Anna, guarding him very, very closely and watching each and every development. One still doesn't know, Maruk, where exactly the Delhi police has decided to take Team Anna. There are in fact talks that he could be dropped at the Noida border because it is just about 1.5 kilometers away from where we are right now. But again, police extremely tight-lipped as to what their action plan really is.
Sanket, you follow the cavalcade. Let's play out for our viewers at this point. Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal have been detained. They courted arrest under Section 188 is what our sources within the Delhi police are telling us. Kiran Bedi has also courted arrest at Rajghat along with 50 of her supporters. We're getting reactions from Team Anna, awaiting a response from the government at this point. Anna Hazare sent out a message to all his supporters right before his arrest. It's exclusively on Times Now. Let's listen in.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, अब आज़ादी की दूसरी लड़ाई शुरू हो गई है और मुझे गिरफ्तार भी कर लिया है। क्या मेरे गिरफ्तारी से आंदोलन रुक जाएगा? बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसा ना होने देना। देश में करोड़ों लोग इस आंदोलन के साथ जुट गए हैं। अब इस आंदोलन का नेतृत्व संभालने वाली सेकंड लाइन खड़ी है। मिसाल के तौर पर अरविंद केजरीवाल है, किरण बेदी जी है, प्रशांत भूषण जी है, मनीष सिसोदिया और अरविंद जी गौर है, पीओ राजगोपाल जी है, शांति भूषण, अखिल गोगोई, इन जैसे सेकंड लाइन में और नेतृत्व संभालने वाले लोग खड़े हैं। ये आपको मार्गदर्शन करते रहेंगे और ये लड़ाई जारी रखेंगे हम। जब मैं ये गिरफ्तार हो गया, मेरे साथ और कार्यकर्ताओं ने भी गिरफ्तारी ली है। बाकी जो लोग हैं उनमें से ज़्यादा लोगों ने गिरफ्तारी लेनी है। ऐसा एक समय आना है कि देश के कोई भी जेल में अभी जगह नहीं है। इतनी गिरफ्तारी लेनी पड़ेगी ये आज़ादी की दूसरी लड़ाई में। लेकिन फिर से मैं आप सबको विनती करूंगा कि आंदोलन में कोई भी हिंसा ना हो। ये आंदोलन अहिंसा के मार्ग से चलते रहे। कोई भी राष्ट्रीय संपत्ति है उसका नुकसान ना हो, या किसी इंडिविजुअल व्यक्ति की संपत्ति है उसकी हानि ना हो, या रास्ते से गुजरने वाले लोग हैं वो सब हमारे भाई बहन हैं, उनको कोई भी तकलीफ़ ना हो। इस पथ को संभालते हुए इस आंदोलन को हमें आगे बढ़ना है। एक पथ्य है, उसमें जो एक बात को ध्यान रखना, सत्याग्रह वो यशस्वी होता है कि आत्मक्लेश हमने करना है और उसकी संवेदना लोगों को होनी है। ऐसे सत्याग्रह होना, जिन जिन लोगों को लगता है उन्होंने अपने नौकरी से छुट्टी लेनी है, हो सकता है कि जिन छात्रों को संभव है उन्होंने स्कूल से भी छुट्टी लेना दोष नहीं है देश के लिए। 8 दिन देश के लिए, पूरी लाइफ तो हम अपने लिए बिता रहे हैं, लेकिन 8 दिन जेल, 8 दिन देश के लिए। एक बात तो अभी सबके समझ में आ गई, पूरी देशवासियों के समझ में तो आ ही गई, लेकिन दुनिया के समझ में आ गई कि भ्रष्टाचारियों का असली रूप ये अभी सब दुनिया के सामने आ गया कि भ्रष्टाचारियों के रूप क्या होता है। कई लोगों के भाषण से स्पष्ट हो गया। इस बात को हमने ध्यान में रखना कि ये परिवर्तन की लड़ाई है, ये परिवर्तनवादी लड़ाई है, और परिवर्तन जब तक नहीं आएगा तब तक सही आज़ादी नहीं आएगी, सही गणतंत्र नहीं आएगा, सही प्रजातंत्र नहीं आएगा, सही लोकशाही नहीं आएगी। तो ये परिवर्तनवादी ये लड़ाई अभी जो शुरू हो गई है, तो इसको आगे हम अहिंसा के मार्ग से लड़ते जाना है। शरीर में प्राण है तब तक। धन्यवाद। भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Anna Hazare's message right before he was arrested right here on Times Now. Bhavtosh Singh has been following all the developments from the Delhi police side. Bhavtosh, there are conflicting reports coming in, some saying it's detention, some saying Anna Hazare has courted arrest, and Kiran Bedi really coming out and saying there's no difference between the two. What are you hearing from your sources?
Well, technically, Kiran Bedi is right. There's hardly any difference between a detention and someone courting arrest. In fact, the Commissioner of the Delhi Police spoke to us just a few seconds before Anna Hazare courted arrest, and he said that we told him that if he leaves the residence, then he might have to surrender himself. And according to him, according to senior officers in Delhi Police, he courted arrest. We are at the gazetted officers' mess of the Delhi Police at civil lines. Already here, Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia have been brought in. In fact, the entire area has been sealed by the Delhi police. Barricades have been erected outside the Geo's mess. It's one of the two places where Anna supporters will be brought in. Those who are the top rung of Team Anna would be brought in at civil lines, Geo's mess, and his other supporters will be brought at Chhatrasal Stadium. As of now, large number of police personnel are standing outside Geo's mess. Anna Hazare would leave Mayur Vihar shortly because of large number of people who have gathered at Mayur Vihar. But the police is finding it a bit tough to take him out of the residence. But Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, these are the two guys who have already been brought in at civil officers' mess at civil lines, and later in the day, other members of Team Anna will be brought in.
Right, Bhavtosh Singh is there at the civil lines officers' mess, but Aishwarya has been following Anna Hazare's cavalcade as it's being taken from Mayur Vihar. Aishwarya, we're hearing that Arvind Kejriwal already taken to the officers' mess, but here with Anna Hazare's cavalcade, what is happening around you? We believe a large number of supporters really not allowing the cavalcade to move.
Large number of people for sure, and now Anna Hazare's car has just moved towards, they have rather paved the way, and now supporters are blocked the main road which rather leads towards Noida, and which is adjoining Mayur Vihar phase 1. They have blocked that main road because police has taken away Anna Hazare, though it is not known towards which location. But as of now, these supporters are really agitated because they were sitting in front of the car
and rather laying down on the road when Anna Hazare was being taken away, but then they were rather forcibly removed by Delhi police personnel. Now they have taken away Anna Hazare from her, and now all of these hundreds of protesters who've gathered here they are flagging cycle and raising out slogans. They have blocked the main road which leads towards Noida and rather connects Delhi to Noida. And now all these protesters are demanding that they should Anna Hazare is, because Delhi police is not telling us where Anna Hazare and the members of Team Anna have been taken away, because Arvind Kejriwal has also quoted arrest from this venue as well. But then again, where he has been taken, it is all too unknown. This is not telling us. As of now, all
Right.
these protesters have blocked this main road which connects to Delhi to Noida.